What is up, everybody? It is Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2001 Harley Davidson Heritage Softail. This is a really clean bike. I just got it in. It's got like almost 41,000 miles on it, and you would never know it. It's a very nice motorcycle. Starting here in the rear tire. Rear tire's got plenty of life left on it. You can see that there. Got your tail light with both your turn signals here. That's all nice, good to go. Just got some light scuffs right in there, and one, oh nope, that's just a piece of grass. And then you got the license plate mount there, got your luggage rack, got the back of the sissy bar. All this is looking really good. This chrome is nice. Even the paint, I like the black. The black's a good look. Got the leather bags here. Gonna unclip those so we can open that up. You can see in there. Got the toolkit or something in there. There you go. Got the studs on there. It is the Heritage. Same thing on the seat. Does have the Vance & Hines exhaust. This thing sounds really, really nice. Fires right up. Got the oil well on the side. I've been catching some flack for calling that the side cover, so that is the oil well. Got the dipstick there. There's your motor, your air cleaner. All the chrome is looking really nice. You can see everything in there. This bike's not leaking anything. It runs like a top. There are some slight imperfections that I will point out. It's not perfect. It is a 2001, but it's a very nice motorcycle. Got your floorboard there. Got your rear brake there. Got your highway pegs. Almost forgot to point out the passenger pegs. There you go. Up here on the side of the tank, it's really, really clean. The paint's really awesome. I really like this, the Harley Davidson, kind of that retro painted on badge. Got the crash bars. Around here to the front, got that big headlight with the auxiliary lights, and you got your turn signals there. Here on the front fender. Front fender got some light scratching here on the front fender that I want to point out. Right here, there's one marked there, and like a little run that goes back there. So I want you to see that. It's not visible from very far away. I mean, when you're standing 4 or 5 feet away, it kind of fades out, but it is there, and I want to make sure you can see that. Here in your fork tubes, got a little bit of pitting here on the lower fork tubes, but not wearing through anything, no rust or anything like that. Just a little bit of pitting getting started there. I want to point that out. There's your spoked wheel. Got the Heritage Softail there on the side of the front fender. Jump over here to this fork tube. Same situation, got a little bit of pitting starting there on the front fender, and you got that, here's your front brake, and there's that spoked wheel from this side. There's your front tire. Front tire I think is a little more worn than the back tire. I'm gonna call that like 30%. I think it would still pass inspection. It would be close. You could definitely ride on it. I wouldn't be concerned about riding on it at all. Jumping over here to this side. There you go, got the tank there. All the paint's looking good there. In here in the motor. This is an injected motor, which is nice. To be a 2001 to have it injected. Got the crash bars, got the highway pegs, got the rider floorboard, toe shifter, heel shifter, passenger peg there. See your transmission, belt drive going back to the rear. See the chrome belt guard there. Got the studding on the side of the seat. The same thing with the bags. Open these up. There you go. That is that. Jump up here to the seat. Got the passenger backrest, got the passenger seat. Both are in nice shape. Got a big comfy seat there. Same thing for the rider. Very big comfy seat. This passenger seat actually gives a little bit of backrest for the rider. Come up over the top here. See the ignition and the gauge. Got your clutch, handlebars, controls come across here, over here to this side. You get your throttle, these controls, brake. Got your mirror there, mirror there. Let's turn this thing on. 40,821 miles. And there'll be a few more after Sean does his test drive. This is a nice bike, but for almost 41,000 miles, this is a really clean bike. Let's fire this thing up so you guys can hear it run. said, those Vance and Hines pipes sound great. Let's make sure that the turn signals work. Got your front turn signal there. Front turn signal there. Jumping in the back. There is that side. And there is that side. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2001 Harley Davidson Heritage Softail. Do not miss out on this bike. It's not going to last long. And thank you so much for watching.